Hello and welcome to Chapter 16 Energy, Video 2. By the end of Video 2, you will be able to use the units for energy. There are two of them. One is called joules and the other one is called calories. The more common unit for energy in physics is called the joule, shortened to J. So someone with 200 joules of energy has more energy than someone with 100 joules. Now, in food, the unit of energy is called the calorie, as you will have learned in the previous chapter. Now we have a very confusing situation where there are three different spellings for the unit of energy in food. Okay, calorie could be spelled with a capital C, or small c, or more confusingly, spelled as KCAL, which actually is a short form for kilocalorie. But actually, regardless of how it's spelled, okay, actually in food, all three units refer to the same amount of energy in joules, which is 4,200. So in the physics part of this module, we will always spell calorie with a capital C. Okay, so before we move on, let's look at a concrete example from a Google search. Okay, so I searched for calories in chicken. Okay, and Google told me, okay, that 100 grams of chicken meat is worth 209 calories. Now here it's spelled with a small c. Okay, and when I scroll down later, I see that, hey, calories here in the nutritional information panel here, it's spelled with a capital C. Okay, so both refer to the same amount of chicken meat, 100 grams. So that means that whether it's 219 calories with a big C or small c, both must refer to the same amount of energy. Okay, so now having observed this, we are ready to do a couple of examples. Okay, example 1. How many joules does one serving contain? And I see that there are 200 calories here. So 1 calorie is equivalent to 4,200 joules. So all I have to do is take 200 calories, multiply by 4,200 joules per calorie. That gives me 840,000 joules. And you divide this number by 1,000, that gives it to you in kilojoules. Okay, 840 kilojoules. Example 2. How many calories does 100 gram contain? And you notice that in this particular nutrition information panel, the energy is given in kilojoules. Okay, so let's see how you can convert this into calories. So 1 joule, if 1 calorie is equivalent to 4,200 joules, then 1 joule is 1 over 4,200 calories. Okay, so 256 kilojoules is equals to 256,000 joules. So energy of this 256,000 joules in calories is just 256,000 joules multiplied by 1 over 4,200. So when I get that, I get 60.95 calories. And we learned that you can also write it as 60.95 kcal. And so round up to the whole number, it is 61 calories or 61 kcal. It's exactly the answer printed here on the nutritional information panel. Okay, right. So what have we done? Okay, we have converted from joules to calories in example 2. We have converted from calories to joules in example 1. Okay, and then we have learned that actually there are three different spellings for the unit of energy, calorie, but all three refer to the same amount of energy in joules, which is 4,200. Okay, and this is the end of video 2.